Today we are going to discuss about Google Forms. So for that I have opened a Mozilla Firefox here. Open your web browser and type Google Form. Google Form. So either sign in or open the URL. And then you will get this option. So go to Google Forms, click on go to Google Forms. A screen will show like this. For this I am going to select a plus blank one. So click on the blank one. So a new file will be open. Before that, when you are going to do the thing first time, you have to do one thing. If you want to make a quiz, here you have to take quiz. You have to go to settings and then select quiz and make this a quiz, so that you will get the correct response. Okay, so release grade immediately after each submission. You can release your grade. These options will be shown. Okay, and then save. So here I have done this and click on here to give you the title. So I am going to do GK test. Okay, and click on this. This is your first question. I am typing which is our national bird. So I have typed a question. So automatically options will be coming. So click on that and type any option, parrot, and then enter for next one, or click on that peacock and another option. Then if you want, add other option also. And to make it as answer, you want to click on this option, answer key, and select your answer. Peacock is the answer. So you have to click on peacock, your answer, correct answer. And then if you want to add any feedback for your answer, you can add by clicking on this. And set the points for that question, 1 mark. Here there is an option points. So set it to 1 or 2, up to you. And then click on done. So your first question is ready. And again, if you want to add another question, this I've done. Okay, fine. Next, here there is a plus symbol. In your mobile it will be at the down. So click on this. So second question will be coming. Who is the father of nation? Who is our father of nation? I'm randomly typing the question. Next, Nehru, Gandhiji, next, I'm scrolling, wait 1 minute. Yes, and then you can type any other those option. And if you want to add other options, yes, you can give. And answer key, select your correct answer. Automatically it will might begin and give the points for the question. 1, done. So this way you have to add questions to you. Once you have done, what you have to do means, here there is a response. Click on that and click on this create spreadsheet. So give the name for your response sheet. This is GK test. Create. So when the students will respond to your answers, it will be stored in that spreadsheet. It will be stored in that spreadsheet. And so you have done the form. Now if you want to send this to, there are many options. You can give here image. You can add image to a question. You can add a video to the question. You can add a section to the question. Add title and description to the question. Questions you can import into a spreadsheet. So many options are there. So you can do that. So we have created a form. Now we have to send this to our students or for those who are participants. So for that, click on send option. I'll show you once. At the top there is a send option. Click on the send option. So this dialog box will be open. Either you email to that person or you can select the link portion. So this is very large link. If you want a short link, click on this shorten URL. So it will be this. So click on copy. So it will be copied and you can paste it on your WhatsApp or anything. This way you can do, and this we can share the forms. And one more thing, I will show you the preview of this form. So for that you have to click, if you have to see the preview how it is made, click on this I, so that you will get this portion, your form, how it will be looking like. So I am going to attempt answer, which is our national bird. I have answered this one, and second question I have answered this one. And at the bottom there will be a submit button. Students will click on this. Automatically it will show like this. Your response has been recorded for the students. And if they click on view score, it will show at the top 0/2 because my 2 answers was wrong. It will show like this. And you will get the response also in, this is for students. For you, you can check from the response options. From the response options, you can check the result. You will get that summary, average, questions, individual. You can see there is only one option, that is why it is showing this. Otherwise, it will show in the Excel sheet. So this is the way you have to do Google Forms. See, when you click on that sheet, Excel sheet, it has shown the timestamp, when it is attempted, the score, what is the answer for each. So you will get every response in your spreadsheet, so that you can keep it for your record. Who has attempted this, what it is. Thank you.